In today's video, I am going to teach you how to delete contacts in Constant Contact. Before you begin, make sure you are signed in to your Constant Contact account and you are on the main dashboard. Deleting contacts is a quick task, but it is also an important one because it helps you keep your email list clean and accurate. It also prevents you from sending messages to people you no longer want to keep in your account. Take a moment to double check that you are removing the correct entries, since deletion is meant to be permanent. To get started, look to the main navigation area and click Contacts. This opens your contact management page, where you can view your full list of contacts and manage them in one place. Next, find the contacts you want to remove. To select them, click the checkboxes next to each specific contact. As you check each box, you will see that those contacts become selected for bulk actions. If you want to delete a large group at once, you can also use the top checkbox on the list. That top checkbox is the Select All option, and it is useful when you want to choose every contact currently shown in the list. Use it carefully, especially if your list is filtered or if you are viewing multiple pages of contacts. Once you have selected the contacts you want to delete, go to the Actions menu. Click Actions, and then choose Delete from the options. This tells Constant Contact that you want to remove the selected contacts. At this point, Constant Contact will ask you to confirm the deletion. This is your final chance to review what you selected. If everything looks correct, click Delete again to confirm. After you confirm, the selected contacts will be deleted. When you are finished, it is a good idea to quickly scan your list to ensure the contacts are no longer there. If you manage multiple segments or lists, staying organized with regular cleanups like this can make future campaigns easier to target and manage. And that is all there is to it.